Today we are making Naruto Ramen. We're going to be making ramen fancy for you guys. We read the comments. We love you, JFC family. Now let's get right into it. Detingo. Pa 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 pa. Anyways, guys, let's start by taking your paper towel and drying your steak on both sides. I know what you're saying. You want your juices. Steak's supposed to be juicy. But this is so when you cook your steak, you get that really good crust. Trust me, guys. This is going to make all the difference for you. So now you want to put pepper. And as you can see, I did put a little too much pepper on this side. You're not supposed to do that, and I ended up wiping a lot of it off. On the second side, I did put the right amount. You're supposed to put that much, and you're supposed to just spread it out. Now you put your salt the same way you put your pepper on, not too much, and you just massage that. You want to just massage it all in, really get in the crevices, really make sure it's in there. Now just take your vegetable oil and just douse it onto the steak. And then you want to start massaging that, okay? You have to really give this steak a happy ending so that they always keep coming back to your masseuse. A little warning, guys, before you cook this steak, make sure you have an open window or open windows and have a fan running, because the steak will smoke, it will make a lot of smoke, and I want you guys to be safe and smart and cook near a window if possible at best. You want to place the steak away from you so you also don't get burned by the oil. You want to leave that steak there until you see one side starting to turn brown. And then you want to flip that over and just let it sit there for about another 3 to 5 minutes. And then after that, it should look like this. Perfectly brown, golden. Now you want to just wrap that up like a present and send it to me because I like presents. And keep the folded side face up and just put it to the side. You want to turn your stove on to a high heat, and you want to put in your onion and your gingers in there. You want to get them black, you want to get them charcoaled. You should leave them in there for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how fast they get black. So we're doing this because you want to get all that. You want to get it like charcoal black, so when you put the water and everything, you get all like of the flavor and the juice into the broth that we're making. This is that black charcoal look you want to get on the onions and ginger. I couldn't pick up the ginger, did not want to burn my finger. You want to set your stove to a medium high heat, and then you want to pour your 4 cups of water. You want to dump in your ginger and your scallion straight in there. And you want to begin pouring in your salt, pepper, soy sauce. That's soy sauce. I'm sorry, it's soy sauce. Now you want to pour in your spices, your salt, your pepper, your red chili peppers, and your brown sugar. You want to just let it sit there and boil and get all those juices together. In the meantime, while that's heating up, you want to get your steak, unwrap it, get it down there, and then start cutting it into very thin slices. Guys, when you're eating your noodles, you want thin slices because then you're not having a whole piece of steak and no noodle in your mouth. you want to just take your noodles out of your packet and take that little packet and throw it away. You want to begin taking your broth and pouring it onto your noodles. And once you've poured enough, you want to take a plate and cover your noodles. After they're done, you want to start breaking your noodles apart, moving them around, making sure that no part is left hard. These are just for plating purposes, but you want to place your cilantro in the middle. Your scallion, you want to just cut it and just drizzle it on top of that. And don't forget about your steak, that yummy steak. Alright guys, that's how you have it. Your Naruto style ramen. Is that fancy for you guys?
It's not really Naruto style, but it's...
Alright, look.
It's
we just
nowhere,
wanted to wear the shirt, okay?
It's nowhere near Naruto style. Nowhere near. But this is, I like to call it Omar style. It's Omar style. Why don't you call it? It's yours.
Omar style. And it tastes great because it's Omar style.
Sure. I'm just gonna try the noodle because that's, you go for the noodles first.
No, you go for everything. What you mean?
Yo, that's really good. The broth. Omar said he hates spicy things, and I put a little bit of chili flakes, and he was complaining, "Oh my God, it's so spicy." But this is actually really nice. What do you think?
It's really good.
It's really good.
Just wait for the Japan vlog, because when we eat this in Japan, it's gonna be even better because it's homemade. I hate spicy food. You guys know that I don't like spicy food at all. And Rene put too many chili flakes.
It was perfect for me.
But we actually like balanced it out. And now it's not that bad. It's the spice kind of diluted. And it tastes really
This is really good. This cost, how much did it cost, the total thing? Including the steak, including the mushroom. It's probably around like less than $10 or so.
$6. No. Yeah,
$10.
$6.
Yeah, around $6 or $10.
Because the steak was $8, but that's for 2 pieces. We just used 1. The noodles were like, how much? Like $1?
$1.
Water's
75
free.
cents. 75 cents.
Water's free. College kids, you gotta step up your game, you know what I'm saying? Like, we out here. We're sponsoring you guys, you know what I'm saying?
With steak? Come on now.
You gotta sponsor. You guys gotta step up your game making this food.
That's good.